Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to fix your iPhone live wallpaper motion issue. So the first thing you will have to do is go to your battery and turn off your low power mode. So turn this off, it will reduce your motion. And then next is accessibility. So you want to go to motion right here and turn off reduce motion. Reduce motion will remove your live wallpaper feature and you won't be able to use it. So next is going to your live wallpaper. So here we're gonna customize. Oh, so not there. So basically here we are going to customize and add a new wallpaper, iOS 18. So here we are in iOS 18, and as you can see between these types of wallpaper, and the first thing you'll have to do is select dynamic right here. Dynamic will be your live wallpaper that's going to be using motion as it goes throughout the day. So if you're not using dynamic, it's not going to work. If you choose yellow, it's going to be yellow throughout the day only. So choose dynamic, and that's how it's going to work. So that's how you fix your iPhone live wallpaper motion issues. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.